House planning and designing might be challenging to several learners and designers, but it can be made fun and easy. Many people found it hard to create an architectural working drawing such as floor plan, elevations, and other plans on their own. However, with the guidance, tips, and ideas shared by teachers and other experts in the field, most of them appreciated the teachable moment that influenced them to love planning and designing. LH Home Designers TV endeavors to learning more about house planning and designing and sharing them with others. It is hosted by a classroom teacher who is a teacher specializing in architectural drafting technology. In this channel, the host will share with you the contents about designing ideas, principles and theories, provisions of the building laws and codes, and other relevant information towards the progression of your residential planning and designing competence. These include steps in drafting the floor plans, elevations, and the like.
LH Home Designers TV wish to be a part of your journey in learning house planning and designing. Hit subscribe if you want to see the succeeding episodes that your host will share with you in our upcoming videos. Thank you for your precious time spent with LH Home Designers TV.